Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find seller tools on Whatnot. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and find your seller tools, such as setting up your show, seeing your past orders, seeing your payouts. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is go into the Seller Hub of Whatnot. And then on this page here, you can actually see a few things. So you can actually schedule a show. If you click on the top left-hand side, you can create a product on the top right-hand side. If you click on the hamburger icon on the top right, this is going to show your inventory, your shows, your payouts, your fulfillments, tips, etc. You also have what I think is important, seller analytics. Now you could also see the shipping status on various orders. If you scroll down, the bottom two hand buttons such as payouts and orders are going to be pretty important. So if you click on payouts, you can see your current account balance and your payout history. If you click on orders, you'll see which orders which are currently being processed. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your seller tools on Whatnot. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys on the next video.